cosecant 20 into secant 20 equal to how much it is? Option A 2, option B 2 sin 20 cosecant 40, option C 4, option D 4 sin 45 cosecant 40. We know that cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So I can write the given equation as root 2 by means root 2 into 1 by sin theta means sin 20. 1 by cos theta means cos 20. So I got root 2 by sin 20 into cos 20. Root 2 into 1 is root 2 only. You want to write 1? You write, no problem. Now if I do into 2 by 2 here simply. So this becomes 2 root 2 by 2 sin A cos A means 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta becomes sin 40 degrees. Becomes sin 40 degrees. 2 sin 20 cos 20 becomes sin 40 sin 2 theta formula. Now this is 2 root 2 into sin 40 I can write as cosecant 40. Cosecant 40. But there is no option like 2 root 2 cosecant 40. Cosecant 40 is at here and here, two parts. So which is the correct option? There is no sin 20. But sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So what I want to say is, if I rationalize this, so 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So that rationalize the numerator I am doing. So cosecant 40. So this is root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. By root 2. 1 by root 2 is sin 45 only. 1 by root 2 is sin 45. So 4 into sin 45 into cosecant 40. So our option is B. This is root 2 into cosecant 20 secant 40. Cosecant 20 I can write as 1 by sin 20. Secant 20 I can write as 1 by cos 20. Now root 2 by sin 20 into cos 20 I got. Into 2 by 2 I am doing. So that this becomes 2 sin theta cos theta becomes sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 20 40. Numerator is 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 into 1 by sin is cosecant I am writing. Again rationalize the numerator. So root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Now this becomes 2 into 2 4. 1 by root 2 is sin 45 into cosecant 40. So our option is B. Cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A and so on. Cos of 2 power n minus 1A equal to dash. This is direct formula, you know. Derivation we will do once again. So this given as cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A and so on till cos of 2 power n minus 1A. So what I told for this type of sums, do sin A by sin A and into 2 by 2. 2 sin A by 2 sin A sum is over. Now this is 2 sin theta cos theta becomes sin 2 theta means sin 2A into cos 2A into cos 4A and so on till cos power 2 power n minus 1A by left out here is only 2 sin A. Now if I do again into 2 by 2, this becomes again sin 2 theta becomes sin 4A into cos 4A and so on till cos of 2 power n minus 1A by this is 2 into 2, 2 square into sin A. See, this is also 2 square. If I do 2 times, I got 2 square. If I continue for n times, I got 2 power n. So final result is, if I do so on for n times, so what will be the final result? Sin of 2 power n A, this is 2 square. Next is 2 cube. Like nth term is 2 power n A by 2 power n into sin A. So I am writing 2 sin A by 2 sin A so that value will not change. The given value cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A and so on cos of 2 power n A. Now this is becoming 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. Again into 2 by 2. For second time I am getting 2 square sin 2 power 2. Like third term 2 cube sin 2 cube. If I do once again into 2 by 2, what happens? This is 2 cube. This is sin 8A means 2 cube. Similarly, I am continuing for n times. So 2 power n. Sin of 2 power n A by 2 power n into sin A. So our answer is first option. Our answer is first option. F of x equal to sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Then f of x lies in the interval he is asking. Option A something, B something, C something is giving, which is correct option we need to find. We know sin power 6x plus cos power 6x result. Did you remember that? Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. If you won't remember, I told you write as sin square whole cube cos square whole cube. A cube plus B cube. A plus B, A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. So A plus B whole cube is sin square plus cos square 1 minus 3AB means 3 sin square x into cos square x into A plus B sin square plus cos square again 1. So simplifying this by 4 into 4 if you take. So what do you get? Did you remember? The final result is 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2x. This is the result I gave you. So whenever you find sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, you can write as 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2x. This I already discussed. Again I am discussing because you might have forgotten. Now using this I can find the interval because I know sin square theta interval. Sin square 2x or sin square theta, whatever maybe this is 2x or 3x or 5x. Sin square theta always lie between 0 and 1 only. Sin square theta always lie between 0 and 1, that we already know. Because sin theta lie between minus 1 to plus 1. But this is square na, so lie between 0 and 1. Now, if I multiply with minus, inequality will change. So, I want to multiply with minus 3 by 4, so that value will, inequality will change. Means minus 3 by 4 less than or equal to minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x lie between 0. Now adding 1. So adding 1 to everywhere. So what happens? This becomes 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x less than or equal to 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So our limits are 1 by 4 to 1. So our option is C. Limits are 1 by 4 to 1. Our option is C. So f of x is given sin square power 6x plus cos power 6x. This we know how to write. 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x. So that is sin square theta lie between 0 and 1. So if I multiply it minus 3 by 4, negative value, inequality will change. So I am changing the inequality. Now we are adding 1 on each side. So becomes 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4 becomes 1 minus of this. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this value lies between 1 by 4 and 1. So 3 sin x plus 4 cos x equal to 5 implies 6 tan x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 is asking. Means he is asking x by 2 means half angles. Converting sin in terms of tan, cos in terms of tan becomes, this is sin 2 theta formula. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta means 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 into cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. I am using sin 2 theta means into 2 by 2. So becomes theta is x by 2. Sin theta 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here also into 2 by 2 theta is x by 2. Cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 5 is given. So LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2, bringing on to that side. This becomes 6 tan x by 2 plus 4 into this 4 minus 4 tan square x by 2 equal to, this 4 goes to that side, 5 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 becomes 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2. 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2. Now bringing 5 tan square x by 2 to this side plus 4 to this side, that side becomes 6 tan x by 2 plus 5 minus 5 tan square x by 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 tan square x by 2 equal to 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is coming to here and 4 is going to that side. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now it is asking 6 tan x by 2 minus tan 9 tan square x by 2 direct sum. So our option is 1, option B, 1. I am just converting sin theta in terms of 2 tan theta, sin 2 theta in terms of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square Cos 2 theta in terms of 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. LCM simplifying. I got the result very simply. It is 1. So option theta equal to cos alpha minus cos beta by 1 minus cos alpha cos beta. Then one of the values of tan theta by 2 is asking. It is giving cos theta in terms of tan theta by 2. Means half angle cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If it is cos 2 theta. Now this is theta. Means 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. I can write in LHS side. And RHS side as it is. Cos alpha minus cos beta by 1 minus cos alpha into cos beta. Now if I go for componendo and dividendo, what I am saying, I am going for componendo and dividendo. Means we know componendo dividendo. A by b equal to c by d means a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. So I am going for componendo and dividendo. Means 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta a plus b by a minus b means 1 minus tan square theta by 2 minus 1 minus tan square theta by 2 equal to, coming to this, cos alpha minus cos beta plus 1 minus cos alpha into cos beta by cos alpha minus cos beta minus 1 minus of minus plus cos alpha cos beta. I am going for componendo dividendo. Now tan square cancel, 1 cancel. This becomes 1 plus 1, 2 by minus 2 tan square theta by 2 equal to, coming to here, I can group these two and I can take cos beta common from these two. So what I want to say is, I can write cos alpha plus 1 into, from these two if I take minus cos beta common, left out is plus 1 plus cos alpha. Means 1 plus cos alpha or cos alpha plus 1, nothing like that. By coming to the denominator also same. So I can group these two again same. Cos alpha minus 1, and from these two if I take minus cos beta common or cos beta plus cos beta common, this is cos alpha minus 1. Now coming to here, 2 cancel. So left out is minus 1 by tan square theta by 2 equal to cos alpha plus 1 common from the numerator. Left out is 1 minus cos beta by, so cos of alpha minus 1 common from the denominator. Left out is 1 plus cos beta. Left out is 1 plus cos beta. So what I want to write is reciprocal. So it becomes if I write reciprocal, what happens? We'll see. So tan minus tan square theta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus 1 into 1 plus cos beta by cos alpha plus 1 into 1 minus cos beta. Now listen carefully, this is minus tan square theta by 2. If I give this minus to that side, this becomes minus, I can write this becomes plus. What I want to say is, tan square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos alpha is 2 sin square alpha by 2 into 1 plus cos beta is 2 cos square beta by 2 by, again 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2, same formula. 1 minus cos beta is 2 sin square beta by 2. Now 2 cancel. Sin by cos is tan, cos by sin is cot. So what I want to say is, tan square theta by 2 equal to tan square alpha by 2 into cot square beta by 2. If I take square, I will get plus or minus. One of the values is asking, and options are all positive. So I am taking tan theta by 2 equal to tan alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2. This is our final result. So tan square alpha by 2 equal to tan square alpha by 2 into cot square beta by 2. Now tan theta by 2 equal to taking of square tan alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2. This is our option. Now this is in the form of cos cube theta, cos cube 2 pi by 3 plus theta, cos cube 4 pi by 3 plus theta equal to a into cos 3 theta. We know the formula that cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 240 plus theta is always equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta, 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So 2 pi by 3 is 120 only, 4 pi by 3 is 240 only, means this is direct formula is asking a value, means 3 by 4. Direct formula is asking a is 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So a value is 3 by 4. Option B is correct answer. Cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 11 pi by 12 equal to how much is asking. If you observe, this is pi by 12, this is 11 pi by 12. Means these two becomes pi. So I can write 11 pi by 12 as cos power 4 pi by 12 plus adding these two again pi, means 7 pi by 4 I can write as pi minus pi by 12. Like 11 pi by 12 also I will write pi minus pi by 12. So cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but power 4 is there plus. This also even power is there, so becomes plus. So becomes cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 pi by 12. So by adding these two, I can write 2 cos power 4 pi by 12 plus these two 2 cos power 4 pi by 12. And if I take 2 common from both, so becomes cos power 4 pi by 12 plus cos power 4 pi by 12. Again coming to this, pi by 12 plus pi by 12 is 6 pi by 12. Means what is meant by 6 pi by 12? Pi by 2. So this pi by 12 I can write as pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So this is 2 into cos power 4 pi by 12 plus this is pi by 2 minus pi by 12. I will write one more step. Cos power 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 12 gives me pi by 12. Now cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So what do it becomes? 2 into cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta. Theta is pi by 12 I want to say. Now I know cos power theta plus sin square theta value. Cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta value. This again cos square plus sin square whole square minus 2ab formula I told. So this becomes 2 into 1 minus, means a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 sin power 4, 2 sin square pi by 12 into cos square pi by 12. This is what we are going to get by simplifying this. So into 2 by 2 if I do, into 2 by 2 if I do, this becomes sin square 2 pi by 12. So what it is, now it becomes, by simplifying, this is 2 into 1 minus, this is sin 2 theta formula, means sin square 2 pi by 12. Sin square 2 pi by 12 means 2 zigzag. So what is sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. So this is equal to 2 into, so I take 4 LCM, that becomes 4 minus 1. This is a square plus b square. A square whole square means cos square whole square plus this whole square. So becomes a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 sin square cos square. So everything is correct. Now into 2 by 2 I did. So this becomes by 2 I wrote. So 1 by 2 I forgot to write here. So this is 1 by 2 into this is 1 by 4. So becomes 1 by 8. That is the small mistake. Now 8 is LCM. 8 minus 1, 7 by 8. So becomes 2 4 ja. This is equal to 7 by 4. Observe, this is into 2 by 2 I did. So that sin 2 theta I got here. Sin square 2 theta. Now by 2, if I write 1 by 2 here, this is sin square pi by 6. Sin square pi by 6 means sin square 30 degrees. Sin 30 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8 is 7 by 8. Now 2 goes 4 times becomes 7 by 4. So our final option is C. 7 by 4 means option C is our answer. Very rarely they will give JEE trigonometry sums. Last year 2017 also they gave. And this year 2020 also they give trigonometry one sum. Very rarely they will give. First, if x lie between 0 and pi and cos x plus sin x equal to 1 by 2, then tan x equal to how much is asking. How to do this? Cos x plus sin x equal to 1 by 2 is given. What is meant by that? And he is asking tan x. So if I found convert all these in terms of tan, then I can find tan x easily. So cos x and sin x I will convert into tan in terms of tan. So cos x I can write as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus sin x I can write as 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is equal to given as 1 by 2. So LCM is 1 plus tan square x by 2 means 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 equal to this LCM. If I take 1 plus tan square and to that side, okay, or I will write one more step, no problem. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is LCM. This is equal to 1 by 2 and cross multiplying. So this 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 2 to the 4 tan x by 2 equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now bringing all to one side becomes 3 tan square x by 2. 3 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2 and plus 2 goes to the side, minus 2 means minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in tan. I can find the two roots of the tan. What happens? Tan x by 2 equal to means x equal to minus b means 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac means 4 square 16 minus 4 3 are 12 into minus 1 minus 12 minus of minus plus 12 by 2a 2 into 3. So this is 4 plus or minus root 28 by 2 into 3. I can take 2 common from the numerator. So left out is 7 plus or 2 I am taking common is 2 plus or minus root 28 is 4 into 7. So the 2 gets cancelled. Left out is root 7 by 3. So what I want to say is 2 plus or minus root 7 by 3 is tan x by 2. But if you take 2 minus, that becomes negative. 2 minus root 7 is negative number. But 0 like less than x less than 5 means this implies x by 2 lie between 0 and pi by 2 only. So 0 to pi by 2, x by 2 is lying between 0 to 90 degrees means first quadrant tan is positive. So I need to take positive value. So what I need to take is instead of 2 minus I need to take only 2 plus root 7 by 3. So tan x by 2 equal to 2 plus root 7 by 3 is first choice. Now I need tan x not tan x by 2. So for that I will go for tan 2 theta formula now. So what is tan 2 theta formula? So tan x equal to, I can write 2 into x by 2, tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now the final result is 2 into tan x by 2. I got 2 plus root 7 by 3 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. 1 minus 2 plus root 7 by 3 whole square. Now what it becomes? 2 into 2 plus root 7 by 3 as it is. And here 9 is LCM because I am squaring. So 2 square, 3 square, 9 is LCM here. So this is 9 minus this a plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus into minus plus 4 root 7. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into 2, 4 root 7. Minus is there now, that's why I am keeping minus for everywhere. So this is 3 3's I can cancel and that 3 goes to the numerator. Now the final value becomes 2 into 2 plus root 7 into 3 by, this 3 goes to numerator by 9 minus 7 is, what is 9 minus 7? 2. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 root 7. Is there any such option? There is no such option. Means he is further simplifying this. So if I take 2 common here, minus 2 common, what happens? Again 2 into 2 plus root 7 into 3 by minus 2 if I take common. Left out is 1 plus 2 root 7. 1 plus 2 root 7. I can cancel 2 and 2. Now rationalize the denominator because numerator is containing root but denominator no root. So if I rationalize 1 plus is there, I can multiply it 1 minus. Means 2 plus root 7 into 3 into, I can multiply with 1 minus 2 root 7 by minus of 1 plus 2 root 7 into 1 minus 2 root 7. So this is equal to 2 plus, if I multiply, this 3 I will write in the beginning and I want to multiply these two. 2 into 1, 2 minus 4 root 7. This is root 7 into 1 plus root 7. Again, root 7 into root 7 is 7. 7 2 is 14 minus 14 divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b minus of a square 1 minus 4 7 is 28. So what I want to say is, I will write here 3 into, this is 2 minus 14 becomes minus 12 and that is minus 4 plus minus 4 root 7 plus root 7 becomes minus 3 root 7 by minus of minus plus 27. So 3 9 ja 27 I can cancel. Now from these two again I can take minus 3 common. So becomes 4 plus root 7 by 9. So 3 3s are 9. So my final answer is minus of 4 plus root 7 by 3. So first option. First of all, I am converting in terms of tan. Cos theta is tan 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 and sin theta is 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. By cross multiplication taking LCM I got tan x by 2 value. From tan x by 2 I am finding tan x. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan x by 2 I got 2 plus root 7 by 3. I substituted, simplifying, I got tan x. That is minus of 4 plus root 7 by 3. So 5 into tan square x minus cos square x equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9. Then is asking find the value of cos 4x. Simply very lengthy. Same like previous sum. We found tan x by 2 and then we found tan x. Here we will find cos x, cos square x, then we will go for cos 4x. So how to find cos square x? Tan square I can write as sin square x by cos square x minus cos square as it is equal to 2 into cos 2x I can write as 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 9. So if I take cos square LCM, this becomes 5 into sin square x minus cos power 4x by cos square x LCM. equal to 2 to the 4 cos square x minus 2 plus 9 becomes plus 7. Now this cos square to that side and sin square I can write as 1 minus cos square. 5 into this I can write as 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x minus cos power 4x. This denominator cos square I am bringing onto that side becomes 4 cos power 4x plus 7 cos square x. This cos square x I am bringing on this side 4 cos power 4x plus 7 cos square x. Now opening the bracket and bringing all to one side. This becomes minus 5 goes to the side plus 5 becomes 9 cos power 4x and 7 cos square plus 5 cos square becomes 12 cos square x and plus 5 goes to that side minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the final result. From this I can find cos square x is a quadratic in cos square. So I will go for the formula again or you can go for factorization, your choice. So 9 5 ja minus 45 I need to get it as 12. So 15 3 ja you can go for formula also. Plus 15 minus 3 gives me 12 only. So becomes 9 cos power 4x plus 15 cos square x minus 3 cos square x. This 12 cos square x I am splitting as 15 cos square minus 3 cos square minus 5 equal to 0. Taking 3 cos square x common from this minus 1 common from that. This becomes 3 cos square x if I take common. Left out is again one more 3 cos square x plus 3 5 is 5. So minus 1 common. So this is 3 cos square x plus 5 equal to 0. Means I can take 3 cos square x plus 5 common from both. 3 cos square x plus 5 into 3 cos square x minus 1 equal to 0. So 3 cos square x plus 5 can never be 0 because this is cos square is positive, 5 is also positive, this can never be 0. So only result is 3 cos square x equal to 1. Means 3 cos square x equal to 1. So that implies this cannot be 0 means only this is 0. Implies 3 cos square x equal to 1. So cos square x equal to 1 by 3. Cos square x equal to 1 by 3. From this I can find easily cos 4x. How to find cos 4x? We know formula. Cos of 2 into 2x I can write. Now cos 2 theta formula. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square 2x minus 1. This is again cos 2x formula. 2 into 2 cos square x minus 1. This is whole square as it is minus 1. So simplifying 2 into here instead of cos square x I can write 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1. So 2 into coming to this 2 by 3 minus 1 3 LCM minus 1 by 3 whole square becomes 2 into 1 by 9 minus 1. If I take 9 LCM this is 2 by 9 minus 1. If I take 9 LCM minus 7 by 9. So final result is minus 7 by 9. So our option is A.